guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a product review. Make sure you guys stay to the very end because we'll be giving one of them away to one of you guys. So today we're going to be doing a product review on some LED headlamps. A company by the name of Odelfi reached out to me and Christine and asked if we would like to review some of their headlamps. And of course we said yes, because if you're anything like me, a major source of your light when you work in your car is going to come from your phone. At times, you know, I do use a light, something like this, but it's very hard to get the light pointed exactly where I need it to be, especially when I'm lying on the ground, all right? So when they reached out to me, I was like, of course, this is something that I need. So this is the box right here. Now this surprised me because this is very, very compact. Now a lot of the headlamps on the market right now are pretty bulky and it's not something that is gonna be really easy to use. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what comes in the box. First, we got an Odelfi thank you card with a discount code on the back. And then you got the headlamp and your USB charger. Now, if you check out the lamp, one thing you'll notice is that it's very flexible, very sleek. Look, I just throw it on my hat just like that, and when I'm done, take it right off, put it in my pocket. Made out of this silicone, so it's very durable. So if you come to the side, you have your power button as well as your sensor button. Then you have your spotlight, and then your LED, I'm gonna call it like a floodlight. This is the thing that illuminates everything, all right? So let me show you guys the modes really quickly. So when you turn it on, this would be your front LED facing strip. This will be 100%, 40%. When you click it again, you'll go to the spotlight at 100%, spotlight at 40%, click it one more time, and it turns it off. So if you're wondering what the button on the side of your power button is, this is the activation for your sensor. Check this out. We're gonna turn our light on to the desired function. I'm gonna use 40% on the spotlight. I'm gonna put it on, and I'm gonna hit the sensor button. Nothing changes, right? But watch this. It's motion activated. Isn't that cool? You can literally turn it off and on with the wave of your hand. Now that's awesome because, you know, typically you would have to, you know, figure out where the power button is and click it and stuff like that, but it's very hard to just continuously hit it, especially if your hands are super dirty. So it's very awesome that that's a function that comes with this light right here, which is something that I'm super stoked about. So if you guys are wanting more technical information on this headlamp, let me go over those right now. So this light produces 350 lumens. According to the box, it says that if you run the LED strip at 100%, which is the first setting, it'll have a runtime of 2.5 hours. If you click it again and run the light on 40%, you'll have 5 hours of runtime. The spotlight on 100% gives you 4 hours of runtime, and 40% on the spotlight will give you 8 hours of runtime. If you guys are wondering what 350 lumens looks like, let's go ahead and show you guys some examples right now. So we're in the garage with the lights off. Yes, it is daytime, but if you look through the camera lens, you can still barely see anything under the dash. So I'm gonna click the light on, and this will be the floodlight at 100%. Look at how bright that was. That literally illuminates everything that you need to see. This is 40%, which actually gives off a good amount of light too as well. And now we're gonna go to the spotlight at 100%. This is good to pinpoint exactly what you wanna see. And this is 40%. It's still pretty bright on 40% if you ask me. And then we'll turn it off. My favorite is gonna be the floodlight because you can literally see everything. So let's get down to the nitty gritty, guys. All right, so we want to give away one of these to you guys out there. And all you guys have to do is make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite mod or mod that you plan on doing to your ride. And that's it. Alright guys, I just want to give a big shout out to Odelfi for sending these headlamps out. I couldn't be happier with the product, you guys. I definitely recommend you guys go pick you guys up one. Down below is going to be the description. I'll have a link there as well as a coupon code for you guys to save a little bit of money, alright? Make sure you guys go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one, alright? Peace out and stay good.